Hello, people. How are you? I hope you're all fine. Well, I'm Daniel. Yes, I haven't used it. Last time I had it was 2 years ago. So haven't had it in 2 years. Now a new one. Yeah, hear that. I'm supposed to say there's a change in your body with hormones and displacement of materials and other stuff. Well, of course. Well, and today is November 13th, 13th of November 2017. A few days ago it was a new secular holiday. Secular, I think even traditional people all over the world are celebrating it. It's kind of an what do you say? Capital. Well, the Chinese Bachelor Day, 11th of November. Chinese Bachelor Day. How do you celebrate it? You buy stuff. Sometimes if you need it, sometimes if you don't need it, with between 20 to 65% discount. Even it was started in the Chinese shopping website, AliExpress, and retail stores in Israel are taking a part of it in it, so they want to sell. So everybody's going online to buy. So now you have to buy it us. So you can use. Well, sorry about that. You can use celebration to make a celebration to give discounts in order to sell. Well, okay. Wait a minute. Well, I bought some stuff that I wanted, and I bought a lot of stuff that I needed. How to detect what I need from what I want, it's another thing. You want I ordered a metal revolving capsules holder, a revolving capsule holder. I can do without it, but it's easier with it. So I want it. But if my life and if I have a mobile phone and it helps me get around, my sense of direction is not so good. So I'm using GPS and the bus timetable regarding the place I'm in to get from A to B, and of course a phone if my mother wants to call me and I'm not answering, she's gonna be stressed. So I need to get my phone working, meaning the charger to my charger looks like it's gonna die in a few days. So I've ordered a new one. That's what I need. Of course, if my charger would die before the charger would come from this shop, so I will need to buy it in full price, or maybe fake in a great discount. But okay, maybe let's not talk about bad stuff. Okay, let's talk about really bad stuff. Yesterday evening, let's say 16 hours ago. Oh, sorry. Now it's 12:37. 12:37. And let's say 16 hours ago, there was a serious earthquake in the border between Iran and Iraq. 7.5. It's relatively serious. I don't know what had happened there, because I don't think it's the main city, the border. Well, my earthquake application said started beeping. And, okay, you have an earthquake in Iraq. And it's a serious one. I wonder if they will talk about it in the news. So I got home, sat down, and wanted to open the TV when my sister is instant messaging all the family and said, "Did you feel it?" So I said, "No, it was in Iraq. A 7.5 earthquake in Iraq." Lamps or overhead lights were swirling and moving, and she felt woozy. So said it's waves from the main earthquake in Iraq, and we all talked about people that felt it, and all over the news. The earthquake was felt in Israel and several places. The main was in Iraq, but it was felt in Israel. So nobody got what do you say? Confused. It was an earthquake. It wasn't an earthquake. What an earthquake was undergoing and felt for a fact. Nobody imagined it. So, well, it's a new thing to experience after missiles and earthquakes. Just a minute. Well, yesterday at noon until yesterday evening, I was working with a friend. I was taking a trip with a friend to Jaffa. It's detailed. Let me start. I was raised in a right-wing house, and I'm a left-wing from the mid. On the left side of the party in the center, not right wing, not left wing. It's different in the States than in Israel, different in Israel than the States. Some of you in the States would say, well, let's say my family was a Republican, and I have a Democrat views. Speaking about the elephant and the donkey, I don't know which one is which, but yeah. So we traveled in Jaffa. So eat. It's called shawarma. It's a good thing to eat. Someone from the YouTube community and has a vlog about it when he was in Jerusalem and ate it, but it's typically layers of meat on a stick, and the stick is revolving in the upright position. It's like a gyroscope. That's why in the Greek version it's called gyro. In the Turkish version it's called dolun kebab. Yeah, you can find it in Brooklyn and in Brooklyn. I don't know to add it to that. You know Brooklyn? So we sat there and some loud, the store manager put on some very, very, very loud music. So I said to my friend, well, the music is loud. She said, the music is in Arabic. What? I didn't notice. I didn't notice that the music was in Arabic. The singing was in Arabic with an Oriental theme. I knew it was too loud. I didn't notice it was Arabic. Maybe then I froze. Well, I didn't froze. I thought to myself, well, that's interesting. Maybe a few years ago it would have bothered me that the music was Arab music or in Arabic, but today high volume is more, it's annoying, and the Arabic music is, well, it's okay. It's not the best classical music, and some a cappella. Chanting as well. So you will say what you say, and after all the fuss about the earthquake and stuff, I saw a movie, short movie. Sorry, I can't find it anymore. Maybe it was a time limited movie. What time limited access, what do you call it? It was the spiritual growth through non-judgmental existent. Well, he asked if I want to get a book. So I said, yes, I want to get a book. Why not? It's a good book, maybe. So they asked, are you traditional Jewish? Are you ultra traditional Jewish? Are you secular Jewish? Are you Christian or are you Muslim? I said, well, what? You are speaking about non-judgmental or being non-judgmental. So you asked me to judge, and you judge people of they are which kind. And if you are separating Orthodox, traditional and secular Jewish, so why don't you ask if they are Catholic, Christian Catholic, Christian Protestant, Christian or Anglo, what do you say, Baptist, Greek Orthodox, so on. Why didn't you ask maybe I'm Sufi, which is the Muslim mysticism. So, but this is a kind of judgment. When you're passing judgment, you're asking people to judge themselves when your book and your movie deals with non-judgment. Well, I'm judging the people that are talking about non-judgmental or being judgmental, so I'm judging. But sorry, I have phone call.